Second. 5 second. Start. The financial corporation or any person authorized by it in writing in this behalf may, without prejudice to any other mode of recovery, make an application to the state government for the recovery of the amount due to it, and if the state government or such authority as that government may specify in this behalf is satisfied after following such procedure as may be prescribed, stop. That any amount is so due, it may issue a certificate for that amount to the collector, and the collector shall proceed to recover that amount in the same manner as an area of land revenue, stop stanza. From the plain reading of the aforesaid provision, it is crystal clear that the state government can recover any amount due and payable to the financial corporation as land revenue, stop. The discussion as made in unique so and so bracket start 2003 all LJ 427 bracket close within bracket supra in respect of applicability of section 34 within bracket 2 of Debt Recovery Act 1993, when the UP Act 1992 provides different mode of recovery is contrary, stop. The recovery under section 3 of the UP Act 1972 of certain dues as arrears of land revenue will be mowed by the state government, particularly on the basis of agreement under the state sponsored scheme, stop. The relevant portion of section 3 of the UP Act 1972 is quoted as under, stop stanza. Recovery of certain dues as arrears of land revenue where any person is party, stop, to any agreement relating to a loan, stop, advance or grant given to him or relating to credit in respect of or relating to hire purchase of goods sold to him by the state government or the corporation by way of mechanical assistance or to by any agreement relating to a loan, stop, advance or grant given to him or relating to credit in respect of or relating to hire purchase of goods sold to him by a banking company or a government company, stop, as the case may be under a state sponsored scheme or to any agreement relating to a guarantee given by the state government or the corporation in respect of loan raised by an industrial concern, stop, to any agreement providing that any money payable thereunder to the state government bracket start or the corporation bracket close shall be recoverable as arrears of land revenue and such person. Stop stanza. The collector, on receiving the certificate, shall proceed to recover the amount stated therein as an arrear of land revenue. Stop stanza. Against this background, although the reference of section 34 within bracket 2 of Debt Recovery Act 1993 is made, but no discussion to that extent is available in the referred judgment, that is in unique so and so within bracket 2003 all LJ 472 within bracket supra, and for such reason. Stop. In unreported matter, it has been referred to the larger bench. Stop. The important question under section 3(4) within bracket 2 of Debt Recovery Act 1993 is that the provisions of this act or the rules made thereunder shall be in addition to and not in derogation of the State Financial Corporations Act 1951, etc. Section 3(4) of Debt Recovery Act 1993 is quoted to ascertain the position. Stop stanza. Act to have overriding effect save as provided under subsection within bracket 2. Stop. The provisions of this act shall have effect notwithstanding anything inconsistent therewith contained in any other law for the time being in force, or in any instrument having effect by virtue of any law other than this act. Stop stanza. The provisions of this act or the rules made thereunder shall be in addition to and not in derogation of the Industrial Finance Corporation Act 1948 within bracket 15 of 1948. Stop. The State Financial Corporation Act 1951 bracket start 6(3) of 1951 bracket close. Stop. The Unit Trust of India Act 1963 within bracket 52 of 1963. Stop. The Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India Act 1984 bracket start 6(2) of 1984 bracket close. The Sikh Industrial Companies within bracket Special Provisions Act. Stop. 1985 bracket start 1 of 1986 and the Small Industries Development Bank of India Act 1983 bracket start 3(9) of 1989 bracket close. Stop stanza. Therefore, upon going through language of section 3(2)(z) of the Corporation Act 1951 and section 3 of the UP Act 1972, we do not find any procedural lacuna to apply section 3(4) within bracket 2 of Debt Recovery Act 1993. Stop. In respect of both, since both are arising out of recovery of dues as arrears of land revenue. Stop. Applicability of section 3(2)(z) of the Corporation Act 1952 cannot be a bar to proceed with before the Debt Recovery Tribunal. Stop. As appears from the plain reading of section 3(2)(g) of the above act. Stop. Possibly the only difference is whether the dues will be recoverable as an arrear of land revenue out of state sponsored scheme or not. Stop stanza. Banking is item number 45 is in the items of the list. One stop.